Brian and Neil, I have a very, very, very important conference to go to that will last until 3 p.m. Thus, I'm leaving my dad here to babysit you again.
Oh God, no. Anything but him. He killed us last time he was here.
Can we have a different babysitter like Mr. Catman? Besides, he is 10,000 times better than your psychotic dad.
Hey, respect your elders, you fucking cunts. And no, he's going to be your babysitter while I'm at that conference. If you can't handle that, then so be. I'll take you two with me.
Is it gonna be boring?
Yes, it will be, if you two come with me. But I don't want to deal with your shit, so you're staying with my dad as your final option. Well, Dad, I'm off to that conference. Wish me the best of luck.
I do hope it goes well, son. See ya at 3 p.m.
No, Dad, don't go. We don't want to stay with this psycho. No, please, God, no.
Well, look who it is. It's cuckoo cancer up my ass. I recall seeing you two idiots getting held back, and I fucking enjoyed sending you sluts all the way to preschool.
Hey man, just because we got fucking held back doesn't single quality mean you send us all the way back.
Silence, you fucking Russian whore. You will not speak unless fucking spoken to. Do you read my lips, you little shit? Now guys, I got all of us passes to the Senior Center's bingo tournament. And you two will be handing out bingo cards to elders like me.
What the fuck, dude? That's literally the most boring job in the world.
Can't we do something else like perform for the elders?
Fuck no. Because your music is cancer to society. Now get ready, you two. The bingo tournament starts in 30 minutes. So I want you two dressed well. And I'll be changing too. Well guys, are we ready to go to this tournament?
No.
I take that as a yes. Come on, let's get in the car. Time is not gonna fly by itself so fast unless we're there.
Welcome to the Go Animate City Senior Center. How may I be of assistance?
We have 3 tickets for the bingo tournament.
Okay, hand them in. Thank you. The tournament is in room 75. Enjoy it, have fun.
Why, old fuck? Why do we have to go through this torture of a job? Why?
'Cause you two pieces of ass can't just make horrible fucking music for the rest of your pathetic lives and get booed at. You two will do this job whenever you want to or not. Now go get the bingo cards. The tournament is about to start.
Welcome everyone to the Senior Center Bingo Tournament. I'm Stan, and I'll be your number reader tonight. Now in a moment, the bingo cards will be handed out to you individually. Oh look, the cards are coming now. Okay, now that the cards are handed out to you, it's time to start calling the numbers. The first 60 that win will advance to the next round.
This job fucking sucks.
Yeah, you said it here, Neil. This will literally take all fucking day, because there's like 80-something people in there, and we're not passing out cards as the numbers go fucking down.
Agreed. I wish this could be fucking over.
In fact, I don't even know if there's a fire alarm switch around this fucking place.
Hey, Brian, look.
What now? Oh my God, a fire alarm.
Yes, exactly. And we're going to fucking pull it so that those senior bastards know not to mess with the best band of all time.
Alright, let's pull this bitch up.
Fire! 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 Evacuate the Senior Center immediately!
Sayonara, stupid senior center. Finally, we're back home. No more stupid boring ass bingo job.
Let's change out of these stupid clothes and go party hard. Oh shit.
You boys are in so much fucking trouble, I can't fucking believe you two bastards pulled the fire alarm and then escaped the senior center. That is so fucking it. You boys are fucking grounded for triple severity. You boys will have nothing but fucking expired Burger King for dinner. Now get your asses to your room.